Hi guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're making some slime. So, first slime, we are going to be using the contact solution one. We're not going to be using, the baking soda. I meant not baking soda, the borax, or the logic. So for this, you're going to need contact solution. You're going to need a spatula. You will need your food coloring. You'll need a bowl. You'll need 1/4 or 2/4 of glue. I meant 4/4 or 2/4. I'm using 4/4. And 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and you'll need just 2 tablespoons of contact solution. I also have a gallon. And here's how it makes it. Like, we're not going to be putting, if you can see sparkles, like those little things, we're not going to be putting that in. Like, it makes, like, really nice slime like this. So, we're going to hope we can make this kind of slime today. Okay. So, we're going to be making it blue. You can make it any color you want. It doesn't matter. So, first, we're going to be opening our thing of glue. And now you want to pour all of this, well, not all of it, just as much as you can get into the container. So you want to take a little. And we also have a gallon. So, but if we mess up, this is not going to get posted onto YouTube. But this is going to be a great video. So this could take a while to get it in, and then what you want to do, you don't want to stir it together yet. The more glue, the better, bigger and better batch you have. Okay, that's about it. So now we want to take just the right amount. Now, this project sort of can't get it everywhere, so you want to make sure you're really spreading it. So we're going to take a little bit. If you put too much baking soda on, it'll get too thick. That's good. So now you want to stir it until you don't see any of the baking soda dots. So you take your spatula and you mix. And you can already, like, feel it getting thick. When you do water in, they're alright. It's just, they don't form as quick. And you can also look this up online, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you want to stir really good. You can sort of start it to get thick. You want to get all the glue off the sides to the. Okay. Now you want to take do this, and you want to it doesn't matter how much dots you put in. I'm just gonna put around 2 in. If you have the white colors, you put more. If you have the darker colors, I put less because it makes it whiter. So this isn't gonna do anything. This is just gonna give your slime a nice texture. So you want to get all the glue into the bowl, and then you want to stir. Yes, and you want to keep it all into the middle. Okay. And if you don't like that color, just down. So now what we want to do over the bowl is you want to take your contact solution and you sort of put it all in, and then you want to stir it together, and you'll see it's starting to become slime. Now, it won't work in once, So you're gonna a little more. Just gonna keep adding it till it gets thick enough for you to take it off your hands. So let's add a little more. So it's starting full. So now it's a little bit of a mess. You want to keep doing this, and this, and now it's like running to form. So now, on your 5th attempt, it should start to form. If not, try your 6th. If it's up to 10 and you can't get it out of the bowl, like really, like get it on the corners. Sometimes the corners don't. So now you don't want to knead it. Oh, right. Now it's getting a little hard to stir. So now, try it. This you want it to get around, so it takes around 10 attempts, but now you can sort of, I'm not taking it out of the bowl yet. This is